Alright, here we are, abandoned railroad crossing at Apra Street in Compton, near Carson. As you may see, this crossing is, here's the backstory. I got multiple requests to do this crossing. After I posted the crossing of the Dominguez Hills unused and abandoned crossing, I got comments to go to these type of crossings. There's two abandoned crossings right here. This is one of them. As you may see, they bought this property right here, and this side is overgrown. But first signal here is a cantilever. This one's in good shape. We have a Harmon cantilever right here. Then we have the emergency information. As you may see, the dot number of this crossing, 903182J. And the lights or signals are Harmon 12 by 24 lights with, 12 by 20s. With Harmon LEDs. Here's the look at the back. It says Harmon. Here it is, Harmon. And the overhead lights are more Harmon 12 by 20s. And the bell right here is a Western Cohen's electronic bell. You can see this cross is like start up, and right here you can see it's painted over. Here's the other side, is overgrown. Let's cross the street. You can tell right here this is not a good condition the train could pass. Here's the second signal. It's similar to the first, but except it's missing one pair. As you may see, here's the relay case right here. I'll walk over there right now. See right here, this track is completely overgrown. Like, wow. Here's the emergency, here's the relay case. And the milepost of this crossing 11.45. As you may see right here, here's the stop sign. That means this section right here is the end of the line. See? I think this used, oh crap. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, right here you can see the power's off. Yeah, it's off. Like the light is not even on. Anyways, back to the crossing. Here's the second crossing. See, here's the rust. I'll get a second picture right here. Take a second picture. Let me back up. Here we go. Now let's continue the tour. We have another Harmon base. Then we have the emergency information. The light surge signals are more Harmon 12 by 20s, 3 pairs. One is missing. Then we have another pair of Harmon 12 by 20. And the bell right here, this is a Safe Tram mechanical bell. Anyways, that way's heading towards the end of the line. That way's heading towards Long Beach. But UP, San Pedro or Harbor Division. But yeah, here we are at abandoned crossing on Apra Street in Compton near Carson. Over and out.